Wood in school. How much wood does a family of 4 need to heat? The amount of wood needed to heat a family of 4 can vary depending on several factors such as the size of the house, the climate, the insulation, and the efficiency of the heating system. However, a general rule of thumb is that a family of 4 living in a moderately insulated 1,500 square foot home in a mild climate may require between 3 to 5 cords of wood per year for heating purposes. A cord of wood is a stack of logs that measures 4 feet high, 4 feet wide, and 8 feet long. It's important to note that using wood as a heating source can have environmental impacts, so it's essential to use it responsibly and make sure that the wood comes from a sustainable source.